Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to replace image here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Replacing an image in Canva is a simple process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working with. If you don't have anything yet, just click on the templates. And for example, you wanted to work with a business template, social media, education, video, marketing, and a lot more. You can also click the create a design so you can start from scratch. Now, once you are here inside your design, for example, I have a picture here. Okay. Now, if you click on the right side of your mouse, there's going to be an option that says replace background. But of course, you don't have the replace image. See? If you click on the three dots icon here, similarly, don't have the option to replace the image. Instead, for you to replace an image, all you're going to do is go to the photo right here. Simply select any photo that you wanted. Delete the first one. Now, this is one of the easiest way for you to replace an image, right? Now, another way for you to replace an image is, for example, you're using a frame. If you go to the element section, click on frame. Now, I might be using a something like this, or if you don't want that, maybe something like a rectangle. Let's see. How about we choose this one instead? All right. Now go to photos, and you were using this earlier, right? Now, if you want to replace this image right here, all you're going to do is delete that. Okay. And from here, all I have to do is choose an image here. For example, this one right here. Paste it on the frame. All right. The idea is that sometimes a design may need a visual refreshment. Replacing images can enhance the aesthetic for that specific design. You may want to replace the general images with the ones that are more specific to the campaign message or theme. Okay? If an image is too busy or distracting, replacing it with a simpler or more relevant image can improve clarity and focus on your design. And of course, you can always choose any design image in your project that you're working with. Once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on share. You can download as PNG, JPEG, and PDF standard for printing. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.